Hi everyone, my name is John Marjanaso and I'm at group number 8, and we are here to talk about interpreting and commenting about the following statement: technology is the end of our beginning, and we'll be using examples to defend our very view. Go ahead.
Oh yeah, so I'm
Hi, my name is Vic.
Antonio. Oh, sorry.
I'm
So I'm
so
Antonio
sorry.
Romero,
Go
and
ahead.
basically we're going to be introducing us the theories into practice, which is basically the theoretical claim and the practical claim, which is the medium and messages and how we format these messages based off the effects and changes of society.
Okay. Hi, my name is Victoria. Sorry to interrupt you, Antonio.
It's okay.
I'm going to be talking about direct examples from chapter 23 and how communication theorists see technology as a fundamental feature in their theories. Some examples would be pulled from chapter 8, the social information processing theory, and how we get to know each other online. In chapter 23, it talks about the start of media, which is television, clocks, movies, radios, phones, and how in today's society we wouldn't consider them technology. But each year, all of these versions of technology, they update. We update our phone every year. TV has new updates. We create better movies. Clocks become more innovative. McLuhan, I'm sorry if I'm butchering his name, he states that our society is highly dependent on technology. Some people can see that as a good thing, and some people can see that as a bad thing. Go ahead.
My name's Cicely, and I think a very modern example of like technologies, like the end of our beginning, is modern AI. It's a big hot topic among schools, among work, among like everywhere, because it's so rampant nowadays. It's like I wouldn't say it's like an AI epidemic, but it's everywhere. It's hard to avoid. And AI is scary to a lot of people. There's people who are like, it's going to take our jobs, it's going to take away like opportunities. And AI can be used for a lot of things, but personally, I don't think AI itself is going to be taking jobs. I think people who are able to master how to use AI and how to make it work for their field of work are going to be the ones who are able to get the most out of it, and they're going to be the ones who are promoted. They're going to be the ones who are moving higher up. So those who are like refusing to learn and get with the times of AI are not going to have the same opportunities as those who are learning and who are trying.
So I want to elaborate on Cicily's example. AI has been a thing that's been on the sci-fi and let me explain what sci-fi. Sci-fi means scientific information. Like when in the 20th century, we had so many sci-fi examples of flying cars, buildings that were made of glass, like nanotechnology. But AI is such a big problem nowadays because we don't know the exact capabilities of AI yet. And for someone who is bicultural like myself, in Turkey, there's a lot of people who are in the food sector. There's a lot of people who are in the IT technology sector. And in here, people like Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, famous people like that are all about trying to bring generalized AI, and that is the first stepping stone of the true AI we know and talk about in the movies. And another example of my own example is that I want to go way to the beginning when we first discovered fire. Ever since we discovered fire and we discovered and invented wheel and so on, ever since the invention and discovery of gunpowder and guns, we lost millions upon millions, billions upon billions of lives. And I believe that if we do not find a way to control this anger, this sadness that comes out of us every time something new is being invented, we are going to keep losing lives.
Does anybody else have any like final thoughts they want to add to this AI or any other modern technology that has made a big impact upon anybody? No.
So I actually also want to talk about nanotechnology and it is futuristic applications. If you guys watch some Marvel movies like Avengers Endgame, Avengers Infinity War, there's so many cool applications of nanotechnology that we can actually control. But in AI, that's a different case. AI is what I would like to call a shackled AI is something we can control because it has like shackles, something that we can use to control it. But when it becomes so aware, like a human, it will break those shackles, and then it will bring about the end of humanity. Or what do they call that? What do they call that movie in which they make robots to kill humans?
Yeah.
I think that's Terminator. I don't
Yeah.
know.
Yeah, Terminator.
Yeah, so, yeah. Those are great examples on like how we can relate it to the statement of technologies, the end of our beginning, and how we all create different you know, we comprehend technology different based on, you know, societal norms and, you know, evolution of technology. That's how we can relate those examples to that statement essentially.
All right, and I think